Hey guys, and I'm with this really cute cat. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, watch it. Guys, look at it. It's so adorable. It's been playing with us for like 10 minutes. Okay, film me. Yeah. Yeah, it was just a rock in it fur. We thought it was a silly. See, look, she's got a heart and a fur, and that is bloody adorable. Yeah. She's my friend that lives down the street. She's my friend's old cat. Neighbour's cat, rather. We'll call her Mrs. Cuddles. I don't
think she's not stray. She's only
Yeah, well, it should be a dying cat, which is really sad. I'm sorry, we can cut that part out.
Oh my god!
Yeah, get him.
Oh, it's hurting me though, because like she's got nails. Oh, it's hurting. I'm gonna
Kitty.
whip it. Kitty,
And
please.
another stray loner.
Oh my god, there's two
The stray loner.
Oh my god!
Oh, they're gonna get in bed.
You're filming it. Oh,
Oh,
that is so cute.
that was bloody adorable.
It's like, hello, do you want to kiss you? Oh,
She's clearly getting a bit carried away, but just play along. And yes, she is wearing my coat.
yeah.
And that is
She's
my
like
skewer.
shaking my butt. Oh, that pulls like black.
He looks a bit older, but I feel bad because I don't know if he has a family.
I don't think he's really the playful type of cat.
No, I think that's a kitten then, because she literally just owns the attention.
Oh, God. Gorgeous. I would love a cat like this.
Did you used to have a cat?
Yeah.
What happened to it? Didn't it run away?
I don't know. I think Mum sold it because she was allergic, but she just told me to away.
No. I know a lot of people that do that. I feel bad for that cat over there, because it looks as if though he has no family to love.
Oh, yeah,
Wait, what?
the things in its very brown.
Pardon?
Pure
Pure
brown.
rock.
Oh. Yes, they did do that again.
Just 3 minutes of watching, like, Amelia love a cat to its death.
Guys, the toast is now. Smile.
I like the way she nearly looked at the camera then. Damn, she's ready. She just twerked. Cat twerk.
Oh, beautiful, darling. Mwah. It smells a cat. That's weird. It smells nice.
Well, it's probably just been washed.
No, it's doing the push-up before.
The chuckle shuffle.
It looks like a big fluffy ball, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Look, if you saw that down the street, would you not think that's a toy that is totally not moving? Goodbye, cat. Go on your little jolly way home.
Let's follow him.
Wait, no, that's a bit creepy.
No.
We haven't even gone 5 minutes and people are watching a cat video. Wow.
Yeah, cat videos are so cute. So this is big girls with the other so cute. There. Oh my god.
That is adorable.
We need to show you more.
She's like,
Mum.
she's like, help me. That eyes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh no.
Oh god, that's not Macy, but alright. I hope Macy don't find this video now. I'll be fucked if I do.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh no, it's just a random
I
kitty.
think we're gonna get
This may be the end of the video and it also may not be because of them people down there. And he is bloody adorable. No, kitty, no!
Oh, it's off to talk to the other cat.
Who will it choose? Amelia or random dildo?
Who will choose the cat?
Well, it clearly chose the random guy down the
And
street.
it chose the street.
And it chose the street. Oh god, no, it's scared. He's off. He's off. Oh, just scared it. The hell?
Do you the camera? Do you the camera?
Okay, I'm a very good videoist, by the way.
Jesus. Oh,
Yeah, kitty.
that's good. Let's go.
It knows we like it now.
Oh, it's coming to us.
It's like, help me.
It's like, love me, love me, love me, love
Do
me.
you want me to video it?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm a very good videoist. Oh, crud.
Like this cat has literally been here for ages. And then I made
It's been here for longer than 6 minutes. We saw him earlier, but we kind of ran into him like all QE, and then he went underneath that exact car and let me go get my fabulous scooter. This is my goddamn scooter. It's horrible. Help me, please. Now they're going to watch 10 minutes of me trying to get my scooter over to you without fail. Oh crap, no, not them! Sorry. Sorry, just me blowing my head off.
Oh, and then it went like that. Yeah, that's
It looks like it had a vagina in its BB. I'm sorry. I just had to say that. I never said
Oh
that.
my god, it's like
Let me make it look like a foot on camera. She's like, I know what you're doing. You're taking my panty shot off me. Kitty. Oh, hello.
she's like, ah.
She is so cute. I don't know if it's like the same cat, but I think it's the cat that lived next to my friend that lives down there.
Like, all you have to go and it comes to you.
She's
Right,
very
fluffy
easy.
cats are nice, okay?
Oh!
You like
Crap,
jump,
I see
you did
it.
a 360 no scope.
360 no scope. We'll have that written on the top of the screen like hell yeah.
Oh my god, it's doing. I don't know
Cat
what.
scratching. Cat scratcher. Poopa scooper, poopa scooper.
And now
Cat
it's
scratcher.
doing
Cat
something
scratcher.
else. Oh my god.
I think this might be its home. I don't want to reveal like the address or anything.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't really say the address anyway.
I think that might be the cat's home, which is my friend's next door neighbour, so let's just piss off. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think that's the cat's home. If not, it has like... Crap, I just revealed the address.
It obviously says goodbye. Bye guys.